Ah, hello guys, how are we all doing? Luke Hodge here, and today is Thursday, and today we have a Friday's video, and today we're hopefully going to jailbreak my iPod 4G, and install cydia, if I'm pronouncing that properly. And also, this is the night though of the election, and I'm hoping for the person I want to be present will be. I'm not going to say who it is because I don't want to start an argument over in the comment section or anything, but basically I'm going to be jailbreaking this, so I'm just going to connect it up to the computer first, so I'm just going to do that now actually. So I'll just shove that in. Okay, we're connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off now, as we've got a successful connection. So I'm going to turn that off. Basically, we're using the Redstone software and we're following this useful video. But yeah, now it's done, so we're going to click next. Oh, hold down the power button for 2 seconds. I'm holding it down, holding it. Can keep holding down the home button. Proceeding. I'm just trying to grab it properly. Oh, it's doing it. Oh. I'm holding it. Oh, it's lighting up. Waiting for reboot. It's lighted up the screen, but we're displaying nothing, but we are doing something. Hopefully this has not destroyed. Okay, we've got nothing, and it says missing keys for data for this build. Oh, that's gone well. Let me try that again. Something, because literally it's just lacking it. Lighting up the back screen. I'm going to do the hard reboot, basically just hard restart, just basically hold down the home button, the power button, and it'll do a hard restart. This is going to be a bit harder than I thought, but I'll update you when I get a little bit closer, even if I still have the time, as it is quite late for Thursday night. I'm having school tomorrow. Okay then guys, it is the next day after last night, late night, being very unsuccessful trying to install it, but now I found a way we can install it without using the good old computer, because I found a web address that you can install in cydia and jailbreak it. So we're gonna do that now, hopefully. So let me see. We're gonna go to Safari. See, no cydia installed. So we're going to go to Safari, and we're going to cancel that. I'm going to put 7. Guess this camera struggles at this. E and ION.com. Basically, if I can get my camera just to focus, that'd be great. This website. Oh god, come on. Basically, it's this website right here. 7 Evolution. Anyway, we're going to click go. And hopefully it can load it up. No, that's definitely the wrong... Oh, maybe it is. Okay, let me just get back to you guys. Okay guys, I found the one I wanted. This is then the website you want to get. Oh wow, it actually zoomed on it. Anyway, then click slide to jailbreak. And it's going to do it. I can't wait. Okay. Okay. Oh, there you go. Jailbreaking process. This can take a few minutes. Actually though, it probably won't because I've got my fibre optic broadband. That's pretty cool. But I've just got the flashing warning light on my camera, so I might have to come back to you guys in a moment. So to play it safe, I think I'm going to end it now and quickly swap the batteries, and hopefully it doesn't get to the end too quickly. Okay then guys, it's just finished installed. I literally just turned the just turned the camera on, just the same, and it says, if you guys can see that or not, it's really struggling trying to do the screen press. It says, click this button at the bottom to jailbreak. Hold on a sec, let me just turn the screen brightness down so I can, so you guys can see it, because it's not doing that much good for the screen. At least we've got full battery percentage, so it's not going to cut out at random times. Yeah, all brightness is a little bit high. Oh, there we go, that's better. Okay, go back to Safari. Basically it says click this button, and it says add to home screen. Cydia, go. Add. The logo isn't there for some reason, but we'll see if it works. Oh. File system. It'll probably redo things again in bits and bobs, but we're at the starting point. This probably might take a few minutes, I reckon. Rebooting device. Should be doing something, but it really isn't. Rebooting device. Are you rebooting the device? It looks perfectly fine to me. Well, it is perfectly fine. It's just... oh, there we go. It is actually doing it. Oh my god. This might work, guys, actually. It's just turned off the device. Has it? I'll just check it hasn't. Oh, god. Rebooting device. Hang on, let me catch up with you guys. It seems to must have done something. Okay then guys, so I've got a bit of news back. I've managed to install the Cydia app, but because we have downloaded it, hopefully my face hasn't been chopped off because I'm trying to film this one also in my face. Because we downloaded it offline and not properly jailbreaked it through a PC, it's asking for a code in it, and normally Cydia would not ask for a code, but because it's been downloaded online, it wants a code, and I found out it's just this website, but for some reason it doesn't seem to like to work. You just press a developer and then press start, and normally you'd be away, but it's asking for a code, and if I just click OK, it says try again, and it says the website. So I believe it's because I've downloaded it in a sort of way. Off that, you can always delete it and start fresh over the computer, and I think that's what I'm going to have to do a proper jailbreak, because I've entered my spam email address in so I could get the code that I've seen, but for some reason it still won't work, and I can't get it to work, and it's has to do server raise else in it, and I can't see any positive thing of this working properly. So I think what we're going to have to do, I can't do it now because I've actually got to go, is when I get home or at some point we're going to have to jailbreak it through the computer somehow and try and get those files that we need. Otherwise it's going to get quite in trouble. little troubling. We might have no choice but to use that app, because even when I got the main software, I haven't got the other folder that I need, application I need for it, but I don't know where to get it from. So either way, I'm sure we'll get around it somehow, but it's going to take a long time. But either way, talking about the election from the beginning of the video, because it's the night it happened, it's the next day. Labour's doing sort of well actually, but they can't decide who they're sort of doing yet. But either way, I've got to go to school, so I'll catch you later. Ta-da! Oh well, I've got some smashing news. Sadly, that app for how to install it without it doesn't seem to work. I couldn't get the code to work, so now I finally found a proper video in the one instead of the different one I found before. I found the exact restore software that I need to work with the redstone. So now we should probably be able to install it for the first time. We haven't installed the install yet, as you can see. Get rid of that. It's still got stupid things. It's still got no install. I deleted the one because it just wouldn't work. It has not properly actually jailbroken. It's just an installed app off a website. But this is the proper real deal. I've got the software properly installing for the restore, and I've got the redstone right on the way. I just need to run it when I'm ready. But if all things right, this has just got a few minutes to go, and then after that it'll be ready. So that's the restore and everything else I need. I've got it off this website that I've seen from the video. So hopefully we can get it all sorted, and it'll hopefully work. Yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you when I've got everything installed, or I've got all the stuff, when they're ready for the installation of the jailbreak on the iPod. So I'll be back in a bit. Okay then guys, actually managed to jailbreak my device. I'm just going to watch the rest of the details. Oh yeah, look at that. Ho ho ho. Okay, I'll catch you guys when I've got something a little bit else so I know what I'm doing. Oh ho ho ho, I think we're getting somewhere. There's a pineapple on my iPod. Done. Ho 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 ho. Come on in, cydia. Oh. First screen. Okay, it's going to reboot. Okay, I'll be back in a minute though, because I've got my lunch. But when we come back from the lunch, this will be the excitement to tell. Has it done it? We'll find out in the next clip. And right then, now I'm going to be honest. A lot of things have changed since that last clip that you saw. First of all, this mark on the mirror, I don't know if it picks it up, is now there from Hairspray. Because that last clip you saw was, I don't know if my voice has changed a little bit from the last clip, but this is now a few months, a month or two. I'd say it's been a month and 5 weeks or so later. When I finally got time to catch up back to this particular video, I've had no success with Cydia at all. So this video of trying to upload it, this video is only worth as how to make a complete fail of trying to install Cydia. I think the only reason why this didn't work, sort of speaking the stuff I'm trying to use to make it work, is as the device is so old. There's different links. Some links are broken because it's running such an old iOS. I believe that iPod 4G is running iOS 6 point something. And ever since that last clip as well, with my iPod history, a lot of things have changed, including my my iPod 5 has now gone for the worst iPod 5 you can imagine, as it has got a lovely smashed screen. If it wasn't like that in the last clip, as I'm sure I viewed it next to my previous iPod, so yeah, not really doing all that good with it all. So yeah. So this video is showing how to not install Cydia, but if anybody can help me with these links of this fail video, if you come across it, then please comment down below, because I'm really struggling. Whatever I try to do, I really can't get this Cydia installed to work. Whatever I do, trying to get a free link download off a website, or doing it, to do it straight from the internet onto the device without using the computer, or even when I've done on the computer, I've still had no luck. So whatever you can do, guys, if you could help me out, then that would be very appreciated. But at the moment though, I am very struck and I have no idea what to do. But apart from that though, I suppose that's this video finally completed. Not the sort of video I was hoping out, thinking it was going to go, hoping I was going to get it done, but I suppose I might as well post this up as I've already filmed a fair few minutes of video. But I suppose though this video could help you if you're considering jailbreaking your old iPod or iPhone or something that isn't supported by Apple anymore and way past its date. Then this could be a video of what you may have to do for it's older. But if you have an iPod 5 or something, because it's not that much out of date, you would probably still be able to jailbreak it, and it's the best time to do it now if you're looking at the date of the post up. I post up now. I think today's date is it's the 21st today, so that's the 21st of the 7th, 2017. So that means then I think this is the best time to do it now, because until iOS 11 gets out, but I believe maybe September or so, don't know, by the time I get back from school it'll be iOS 11, and that means then it'll be 2 grades away when iOS 10 gets kicked out of the show a little bit. So that'll be the time you get this now is probably the best time to do it, when you still have the chance before things start to get supported by jailbreak and everything else. So this time it may be the best time to do so. But for the moment though, that's the end of this video. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!